back and we're doing a craft, and this craft is super fun and DIY. It's like really DIY. It's it's a keychain, a DIY keychain that actually you can take on and off because it slides out and in. So this is really cool and this is really fun, and you don't have to make it exactly like this. Draw whatever you want on it and do whatever you want. It's all about being creative. So yep, this is it. And that's what we're going to be making. So what you need for this is a piece of paper. I have 2 different pieces of paper because I want the base to be white so I can color it, and then this to be colored, but you can do whatever you want. You can color this to match this. You can just leave this plain and colored, and then this white. You can do whatever you want with this. And then you need scissors. You need tape. And then you need a hole puncher. Okay, first step is to take 1 piece of paper and cut a big section out of it like that. And then the next step is to cut a circle or a shape out of it. It doesn't have to be a circle. I'd recommend a circle because it's a little bit easier to draw on. But you can do a heart, a triangle, a square, a cloud, whatever you want. You can even, like, if you're really good at cutting out stuff, you could cut out like a water bottle or something and then color it and then put the chain on it. That'd be very cool. So next, we're going to color it if you're coloring it. But if you're not coloring it, you can just move on right to the next step. I'm just coloring it with colored pencils, but you can color it with whatever you want. Okay, so now that the front and the back is finished, I'm going to cover it in tape. Completely cover it. So you're gonna do this over and over again. Just stack them up on the front and back. So it has a little bit more protection. You're probably gonna need, like, if it's like this big, maybe 3 or 4 pieces of tape. Just like that. That's the front. And then I'm gonna do the back. Now I have my front and my back taped and protected. And why you do this with the tape is because it gives it a little bit more protection. So I'm gonna just, and then the next step is cut off all the excess tape. And then I'm just leaving a little bit of tape. I don't know why, I just think it looks good. Just like that, just a little bit around the edges. Next, you're going to use your hole puncher and just punch a hole like that. And then if it does this, it's totally normal. You just have to take that off like that. And then the next step is to take with your other piece of paper, if you're doing it colored, or just with a piece of paper, and cut out just a line like that. And then that is obviously too big to go in this hole, so I'm going to cut it out a little bit skinnier. Okay, so just like this. And then we're going to take this, just gonna snip that, take this and put it through the hole, and then take a piece of tape. Where'd my tape go? Here's my tape. And just a really small piece, and then actually you're gonna cut this, and you're gonna cut it, and so it's about that big. And then you take that and you just tape the piece of paper together and it's actually really hard to do it with like a small piece of paper, like a thin one, but like bigger ones, thicker ones, those are better, but it needs to be thin enough where it can fit through the hole. And then what's really great about tape, you can just plop it right out and plop it right back in. So this is our craft, and it's super simple. It is so adorable, and I can't wait to put this on my backpack and show all my friends at school. This cute craft is adorable and like a fun craft to do at the beginning of the school year, like a go back to school thing craft to do. So this is our craft. I hope you like this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that like button for more videos and crafts and baking videos and maybe even a singing video. Okay, that is the end of this video. I hope you liked it, and thanks for watching.